Who's your best friend at school?
Uh, maybe that girl Vanessa.
Is she pretty?
Mm, no. But
Yeah.
somebody has a crush on her.
Who?
The second grade boy I was talking about,
Oh.
named Benson.
Do you have a crush on her?
No,
How do you know Benson has a crush on her?
because he said,
What did he say?
I have a crush on her.
Oh.
On
He said
Vanessa.
that to you?
Yes. I told
Was
Abby.
he saying it to you so he was like, lay off my girlfriend,
No,
or I'm gonna beat you, or he was just telling you?
he was just telling me.
Oh,
Yeah, he's my friend too.
that's cool.
I have a lot of second grade friends.
Really? Why?
I just like second grade a lot.
Huh. That's cool, I guess. What the?